So hello friends, welcome back to the channel again. So a polling was done in the community post of our channel where the highest polling was given to this book, that is Relativity. So here we are back again to review the book. So this Relativity actually consists of two parts, that is special relativity and general theory of relativity. So the book actually it was one of the my first book which I bought in 2018. Yes, 18 November. And the book which I will now show you the content. Rating, I have given this 8.3 out of 10. So content I would like to show you, here it is. Here it starts with a note and then a special theory of relativity. As you can see, and if you compare special theory of relativity and general theory of relativity, then I will suggest special theory of relativity is more easy because it contains theory part more in compared to the general theory of relativity. Whereas in general theory of relativity, there are most number of chapters contains equations, and also the book language used in this book is not an easy and lucid one which you see in the books. It is actually like a textbook. So this book contains, of course it contains theory, but not as we read, but it has some academic theory and also have a lot of equations which you really need to understand before starting the book. Yes, so that's why this book is I would not recommend to any general public. But yes, it was, since the polling was high for this book, I decided to decided to just make a review on it. So actually, to be honest, I myself also to be didn't fully completely understand the book. It is one of the very few books which I could not complete. I have read some pages of this theory, special theory, but general theory I have not started. So this was the review. Actually, I uh, read only some few chapters of the special theory of relativity, like what is the idea of time in physics and relativity, simultaneity, like this, and some Gaussian coordinate also, because it's related to straight line which was in chapter 11 chapter. So that's why it is related to that. But from general theory of relativity, things goes to a very advanced level, which is of course not very difficult, but yes, it would be time consuming. So this book actually I bought in 230 rupees in 2018, but you, I think there are now different publishing house which provide this book at a much cheaper price. So it's not heavily recommended, but only go with it if you really want to go through the whole theory and perspective. Otherwise, I would recommend another book which I have reviewed earlier, that is this Einstein, His Life and Universe. This book is contains biography as well as theoretical part of the relativity. It don't contain any equation. It have little bit appendix equations. It has a small part. Otherwise, this book is better. I would definitely recommend. But at the same time, relativity is a authentic book. It is especially written by and edited by Einstein. So if you can definitely buy this book if you are a Einstein fan. I hope this review was helpful. Till then,